morning friends. In the last lecture we see that the methods of preparations of phenol. So two methods we are seeing. Okay. First method is what? First method, it is the Dawes process, that is from chlorobenzene we can prepare phenol, and second method it is by the Rastrick method. Again from chlorobenzene there is preparation of phenol by the Rastrick method. Now today we will see the third method of preparation. Okay. So that method of preparation, that is preparation of phenol, and phenol is prepared from the benzene sulfonic acid. So today we prepared the phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. So look at here friends, in case of that benzene sulfonic acid, so when benzene sulfonic acid is represented as, this is our benzene ring which having here SO3H. Okay. So it is known as benzene sulfonic acid. It is known as benzene sulfonic acid. When this benzene sulfonic acid is react with NaOH, sodium hydroxide, when it is react with NaOH, sodium hydroxide, so it undergoes neutralization reaction. Because it is an acid, when any acid is react with base, okay, any acid will react with base, then it undergoes what? Neutralization reaction. So it will give us formation of salt and water molecule. Okay. So look at here, this is benzene sulfonic acid, when react with NaOH, it undergo neutralization reaction and it gives us, so here SO3 negative, H positive. Okay. Here Na positive, OH negative. Okay. So here loss of this H positive and OH negative, H2O molecule get removed and we get this benzene ring as it is. SO3 negative is attached to the sodium positive. Okay. So here formation of, like this benzene ring as it is here. Here SO3Na, that is SO3 negative and this sodium is positive. So it is called as sodium benzene sulfonate. So there is formation of sodium benzene sulfonate. Okay. Sodium benzene sulfonate with the loss of water molecule. H2O molecule get removed. Okay. When benzene sulfonic acid is react with NaOH, it undergoes neutralization reaction. It gives formation of sodium benzene sulfonate with the loss of water molecule. Now that sodium benzene sulfonate, this intermediate, when it is again fused at 573 Kelvin with NaOH. So this again fused with NaOH. So here continue this reaction. This sodium benzene sulfonate is fused with NaOH at 573 Kelvin temperature when it is react with 2 moles of NaOH against sodium hydroxide. So when it is react with 2 moles of NaOH, so here again this twice sodium, so Na2 is react with SO3. Na2SO3 get remove here. Again this twice OH is present, so here OH, OH. So there H positive and OH negative, H2 again get removed and this single oxygen, it is attached to this sodium. So we get here formation of ONA, that is sodium phenoxide. It is known as sodium phenoxide with the loss of this twice Na2, this SO3, sodium sulfate plus again loss of H2O molecule. Okay, so here formation of sodium phenoxide. Now this sodium phenoxide, it is again react with mineral acid like HCl. So we get here, when sodium phenoxide is react with dilute HCl, so we get here again O negative, Na positive. Okay, here H positive, Cl negative. So this Na and Cl, NaCl get removed and H positive is attached to the oxygen. So there is formation of phenol. So here formation of phenol, and again there is loss of this NaCl salt. We can also use here, instead of dilute HCl, directly this sodium phenoxide. This is alternative reaction. Okay, or it is again react with, suppose look at here, it is again react with that H2SO4 sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid. If it is react with dilute sulfuric acid, then again we get this SO4. So here we take 2 moles of sodium phenoxide. So here 2 moles of sodium phenoxide when react with dilute H2SO4. So we get here again there is formation of phenol plus loss of Na2SO4 sodium sulfate, and there is formation of 2 moles of phenol when these 2 moles of sodium phenoxide is react. जर इथे 2 moles घेतले, when here we take 2 moles, then it is react with dilute H2SO4, so that 2 moles of sodium मतलब Na2, that Na2 is react with what? SO4. So Na2SO4 is removed, sodium sulfate, and here 2 moles of that benzene ring with O negative as it is. So O negative, it will accept H positive ions from here. 2 H positive ions are present. Therefore we get here twice this benzene ring as it is, O negative and H positive. So formation of OH. So here formation of this phenol molecule. So in this way we can prepare phenol by this method, that is from benzene sulfonic acid. It is very important reaction asked in the examination for 2 marks. Okay, understand this? समजलं इथपर्यंत? काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे कोणाला? सिंपल आहे. बेंझीन सल्फोनिक acid is react with NaOH. It undergoes neutralization reaction. It gives us sodium benzene sulfonate with the loss of H2O molecule. त्याच्यानंतर सोडियम बेंझीन सल्फोनेट, आपण ही रिएक्शन सेपरेट पण लिहू शकतो किंवा कंटिन्यू सुद्धा करू शकतो. ओके, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. सेपरेट लिहायची असेल तर सेपरेट लिहायचं. सोडियम बेंझीन सल्फोनेट इज रिएक्ट विथ ट्वाइस NaOH in presence of that fuse 573 Kelvin temperature. So it gives us sodium phenoxide with the loss of Na2SO3 and water molecule. Again sodium phenoxide may be react with dilute HCl or it may be react with dilute H2SO4. जर dilute HCl घेतला तो only 1 mole is required here. That is directly sodium phenoxide react with dilute HCl gives formation of phenol. And if we take that H2SO4, so here required 2 moles, therefore 2 moles of phenol is obtained with the loss of Na2SO4. okay, समजले इथपर्यंत? काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे? ठीक, लिहून घ्या एवढं बोर्डवरचं. नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन पाहू आपण फ्रॉम क्युमीन. नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन it is from cumin. Again preparation of phenol from cumin. Number 4, from cumin. That cumin is also called as isopropyl benzene. Okay, that isopropyl benzene, it is also known as cumin, or cumin is also known as isopropyl benzene. So we can write here the structure of isopropyl benzene. Here carbon, here CH3, here attachment of CH3, here attachment of hydrogen. That is isopropyl group, and at second position attachment of phenyl ring or the benzene ring. So it is called as isopropyl benzene, or simply it is known as the cumene molecule. So it is isopropyl benzene, or simply it is known as cumene. Okay. When this isopropyl benzene is react with oxygen, that is oxygen, it is from air or from the atmosphere. So when it is react with oxygen in presence of cobalt naphthenate, here when it is react with oxygen, O2 is taken from the air in presence of cobalt naphthenate, at 423 Kelvin temperature and in alkaline medium. So when isopropyl benzene is react with oxygen in presence of cobalt naphthenate at 423 Kelvin temperature and in alkaline medium. So simply what happened? This carbon hydrogen bond, this bond get break. Okay, and these two oxygen molecule, they are placed in between this carbon and hydrogen. So we get here there is the formation of cumene hydroperoxide. So here this ring is as it is. Here carbon, this is our CH3, here oxygen and H. So that O2 is simply added over this isopropyl benzene. So there is a formation of cumene hydroperoxide. So it is called as cumene hydroperoxide. Okay, cumene hydroperoxide. Now that cumene hydroperoxide, when it is react with dilute H2SO4 and simply on heating, this one cumene hydroperoxide, when it is react with dilute H2SO4, that is in acidic medium and simply on heating. Okay, in acidic medium, that is dilute H2SO4, any mineral acid is taken here and simply on heating. So what we get here, there is breaking of this OH bond takes place, this one, and this complete group CH3 COCH3, that is acetone molecule get removed and this OH is attached to the benzene ring. Therefore there is the formation of phenol. What formation will? Phenol formation. So here formation of phenol like this, here presence of OH. Okay, so here formation of phenol with the loss of CH3 COCH3, that is acetone molecule get removed. Okay, so in this way we can easily prepare phenol from the cumene molecule. Very important reaction, always asked in the exam. In NEET examination also there is one question, that is identify intermediate or identify A in the given reaction, or this is A and this one is B. Complete the following reaction or identify the A and B in the given reaction. So it is very simple reaction, we can easily prepare and understand. Okay, समजलं इथपर्यंत? एकदम सिंपल आहे. Isopropyl benzene when react with O2 in presence of cobalt naphthenate at 423 Kelvin temperature and in alkaline medium. So what we get? Simply this CH bond get break and two oxygen molecule, they are placed in between this carbon and hydrogen, that is they are attached, and formation of there is the cumene hydroperoxide. That cumene hydroperoxide, it is when react with dilute H2SO4 and simply on heating, so here formation of phenol, that phenol molecule is formed here with the loss of acetone CH3COCH3 acetone molecule is removed here. समजली इथपर्यंत रिएक्शन. ओके, लिहून घ्या. नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन पाहू आपण आता. बोर्डवरची रिएक्शन लिहून घ्या. Okay, next reaction is what? Number 5th, from aniline. From aniline, or it is also known as diazotization reaction. Okay, again it is very simple reaction. When aniline means what? Benzene ring which consists of NH2 group on it. Okay, so it is called as aniline. When aniline is react with nitrous acid, HNO2 and HCl. Okay, so this is nitrous acid, HNO2 and HCl in ice cold condition, or here at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature. That is what? Minimum temperature 0 degree Celsius near about. So when aniline is react with nitrous acid, this is nitrous acid and HCl at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, so we get there is the formation of benzene diazonium chloride. So how we can prepare benzene diazonium chloride? This nitrogen as it is here, this nitrogen and this one Cl, that is N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride. This H2, this one hydrogen, that is 2 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, again this one hydrogen, 4 hydrogen. So total 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 hydrogen atom and 2 oxygen atom. So twice H2O get removed and this nitrogen and Cl, that is benzene ring, N2 positive Cl negative, benzene diazonium chloride. So here formation of here N2 positive and Cl negative plus loss of twice H2O molecule. So this is the benzene diazonium chloride. The intermediate form BDC, benzene diazonium chloride. That benzene diazonium chloride, when it is react with H2O water molecule in presence of acidic medium, so that benzene diazonium chloride as it is react with H2O HOH in presence of dilute H2SO4, that is in the acidic medium. So in acidic medium what we get here that HOH, H positive, OH negative, this N2 molecule, that is N2 gas get removed. Okay, so here a loss of N2 gas plus this Cl negative and this H positive, so loss of HCl and plus our main product is what? This benzene ring to which OH negative is attached. So there is formation of phenol. So here formation of phenol with the loss of N2 gas and HCl molecule. Very simple reaction. That aniline is react with nitrous acid and HCl at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature. It gives formation of this benzene diazonium chloride which is react with water molecule in presence of dilute HCl. So it gives us formation of phenol. समझते हैं ना, formation of phenol with the loss of N2 gas, that is nitrogen gas and HCl molecule. Okay. So in this way here methods of preparation of phenol, they are over. I hope you understand these all reactions. Okay, समजले इथपर्यंत? जेव्हा तुम्हाला लिहायचं असेल 2 मिनिटांसाठी व्हिडिओ पॉज करा आणि बोर्डवरचं लिहून घ्या. ठीक आहे? ओके, समजलं इथपर्यंत? काही प्रॉब्लेम? हॅपी लर्निंग.